All right. I got you. So this is a picture I'm supposed to look at now? That's a horrible picture. You know? Put it this way, you never saw me smile at all. For 5 years, I never smiled at all. I barely got a grin. There was very few people that could actually get a smile out of me. I've always had issues with my teeth growing up. Didn't matter what I did, how much I brushed, how much I cleaned, and eventually I knew at some point in time in my life I was gonna have to eventually get implants. Just didn't realize it was gonna be as soon as I did.
James's story is incredible. He came in very reserved and very standoffish. James was a young man that had lost teeth due to various conditions in his life. Our goal was to make sure we gave him the most realistic smile possible.
The turning point to seek a solution for my oral health was when I lost my front teeth. You can't eat nothing, your face swells up consistently, and it's a complete confidence breaker, especially when you're trying to do business, talk to family, friends. Not fun whatsoever.
The beauty of James' treatment was we were able to do this in a single day. We were able to take care of his problem teeth, place the implants, and provide him with a fixed solution within 24 hours.
It was shocking seeing myself with a full set of teeth for the first time. It's a very unique feeling that not a lot of people get. You try not to cry. It is definitely worth every single penny to come in and get these done. I mean, you're basically getting your life back 100%.
The change that we've seen in James has been incredible. He's not the same person that we saw on that first day of his first visit to our office. I know that he's got a great future ahead now that he has the confidence to do anything that he sets his mind to.
A lot of people don't like going to the dentist. I sure in the heck did not like going to the dentist at all. I always associated it with pain. But here at the Glen Dental, I don't think I've gone through an inch of pain, 1 second of pain. I got phone calls during my recovery to make sure I was okay. The staff is wonderful. The doctors are wonderful. Not everybody loves going to the dentist. But when you come here, it's just like coming to hang out with your friends and coming to see the people that actually care about you.